I'm a Texas native. I was born in Texas, raised in Texas. Well, let's be more specific. I was born in Houston. I was raised in Dallas. I was raised near Richardson, well, in Richardson, whatever. And I moved to DeSoto when I was about 5 years old. So pretty much all my life has been about Texas, all right? Texas has a lot of things. We have rattlesnakes, wildfires, tornadoes, fried Oreos. But one thing that Texas almost never gets is snow. Since I've been living in Texas, I'm 16, I've been living in Texas for 16 years. I only seen snow 3 times. 3. First time I was like in 1st grade. And yeah, it was a good amount of snow. I made a snowman and everything. Second time was in like 7th grade. And it wasn't even that much. Like the floor was white and whatever, but like it wasn't anything to enjoy in. But the 3rd time, which is this week now, boy, there has been a lot of snow. Like, this is like historic. Like, I never seen so much snow in person. Like, it looks so delicious. I was just laying in my bed, waking up with my contacts on. I can't just lay down here and look at the snow. I gotta do something. So I was like, what do regular people do when it snows outside? They play in it, of course. Well, there's 3 people when it comes to snow, alright? The first person is gonna stay inside, watch a movie with hot cocoa in his hand. The second one is going to play in the snow, do whatever, you know what I'm saying? Build a snowman, snow angels and stuff, watch the snowflakes fall. Then the third person is going to take some stupid ass pics in the snow. You know what I'm saying? And then quickly go back inside because it's too cold. I decided to do all 3. You know what I'm saying? So I went to Walmart because I wanted to get some marshmallows for my hot cocoa. And let's just say I succeeded, but it was not easy. There was a lot of snow. I didn't know how to handle it. I was really struggling out there. But hey, at the end of the day, I'm at home in one fucking shape. Now, I did film when I was going there and when I was there, and it was quite a good amount of stuff that happened, so I decided to make a video about it. So yeah, here it is. Hope you guys enjoy.
But we're shutting down the store.
Alright.
We're closing up the store. So you can make fun of We're shutting down the store.
Alright.
Before the storm hits tonight.
Okay.
To make everybody safe before the storm hits us.
I understand. These lines are super long, but I'm gonna try my hardest to get out of here before the store closes. Y'all saw I was in that line. Well, y'all probably didn't see it, but that line was long. And as soon as I was the last person in the line, they gonna say, "Oh, you know, this is only a card line. All I got is cash." So I'm not here like, bro, are you serious? But then the dude in front of me is like, "Hey, bro, I'll pay for your stuff." And I'm like, oh shoot, I appreciate it. That's exactly what he did. I got my marshmallows. Oh my God. As you can see, almost there. Whew. That took a while. We got what we needed, right? At least we made it home in one piece. Let me hurry up and go home. Let me hurry up and get home. I ain't trying to jinx anything, but hey, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's snowing in Texas, but hey, we gotta make the best that we can. Yeah. Whew. Before I end the video, I want to talk about some things. Number one, if you're from another state and you're wondering, man, this guy's acting like he never seen snow before. Well, nigga, that's pretty much what it is. I haven't seen snow this much in person, so yeah, I was very excited, and yes, I did do the most. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? And I don't regret it. I don't care. And well, second thing, I just want to talk about something that I feel like we can all learn from this now. As you can see, I did a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? Some things that weren't on video, I did go here, I did go there, you know what I'm saying? I did do some things that kind of raised some eyebrows, like what is wrong with this dude? I mean, I was at Walmart, falling on the snow. I was out here acting like I was in an avalanche or something. Like, yes, people were looking at me, a lot of people were laughing, but you gotta understand, I don't GAF, all right? I don't care. I was reading a book, I think it's called The Subtle Something of Not Giving a Fuck, something like that. And it really opened my eyes. Like, I didn't finish the book, I'm like a quarter done, but I still learned a lot. One thing that I did learn is that when you realize that your life isn't as special as the other people around you, you start to be happy with what you have. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, we all have these goals. We all have things that we want to do, things that we want to make in life. But like, you gotta understand, all because every single day is not exciting, all because every single day is not fun, that shouldn't be a problem. Like, everybody has their own normal life. You shouldn't have to look at somebody else on Instagram or Snapchat and be like, hey, I wish I lived like him, or hey, I wish I lived like her. Well, don't focus on them. Focus on yourself. And another thing, when it comes to life, when you worry about the small things, then your life is going to be miserable, all right? When I say small things, I mean small problems, like, oh, I stubbed my toe. Oh, my phone cracked a little bit on the side. One thing I learned from the book is that people with almost no problems will create small problems just so they can feel entitled. There are millions of people out there having the same problem as you, so you're not special. If you only have small problems in life, you gotta realize that there's people out here who are homeless. There are people out here who don't have anything to eat. People out here with no power, no water, no food, no nothing. Now, those are problems that they're forced to deal with. Like, there's probably not even a way that they can get out of that problem. But if you're dealing with small problems on a daily basis, you gotta understand, be happy that those problems are small. And the more you realize that, hey, these are small problems. I don't even have a reason to be tripping about these problems. then you're going to enjoy life even more, all right? I was one of those people that was always tripping because, oh, I have a headache, or I have this, or I have that. That can be resolved by just going to sleep or something, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not anything that I should be tripping about. Well, I might trip a little bit, but it's not something where it should affect my day to the point where I'm like, I hate my life, I hate this, I hate that. No, we can't do that for small problems, all right? When it comes to problems, it's not about having no problems because that's impossible. It's about what
I feel like Michael Jackson, moonwalking.
problems do you want, all right? I want to be in a life where my problems are so minimal that it's almost like I don't have to worry about them. Now, some people, they wish they have a stable household, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to like financial money and stuff, and I do too, you know what I mean? But your only goal shouldn't be, I want to get rich, I want to have this. Your other goal should be, if I were to have problems in the future, they aren't super bad problems to where it affects my day, you know what I'm saying? So one way you have to look at life is to just, instead of focusing on the good, when it comes to what you want, you have to focus on the bad too. Okay, my good can be good, but will my bad be attainable? If you got a bunch of good things, and them good things are really good, and the bad things are not that bad, then your life will be good. The good will cancel out the bad.